Click event in a Razor component. A Razor component can handle and process a click event if it is written as a Blazor component. This Blazor component I have shown in an attached video that you can have a look at that, and there is a blog page also that is linked. Go through all the steps to establish a connection between a Blazor component to see how a Blazor component can be put inside your Razor page. And now the question is that we have to write a component that displays a new quote each time its button is clicked. So we only need to use a string array to hold a few quotations so that you can cycle through them. Let us first of all have a look at what we are actually wishing to do. If you run this project, you will see a screen open like this. This is get next quote, click, click, click. I used 3 quotations and we can cycle through them. This is a Razor component based on Blazor, and it has been put inside a Razor file. So let us have a look at the component itself. If you see all those basic steps that have been done, this is the program file where we did the first step. The layout file, we have done the second step. The base, the component, and the reference to the script. This script is not required. It is automatically done by Razor, by ASP.NET Core. This imports has been done. Copy pasted everything here. My Razor app. This is last is using my Razor app, and this is my code.razor, and I can see the code here. You can see that this is at quotes circular counter. So basically we have used a circular counter. Let us come to the code part first. In this code part, we have a quotation